Question number 8, WASSCE June 2023. And the question say a sphere has a radius 3 centimeter. Find in terms of pi heats fallen, right? Heats fallen, right? Now we have the solution here. We see that the radius of sphere has been given as 3 centimeter, right? That's the radius, right? We remember this shape, right? Here, from here is the center of it, and here to here is the radius, which is the same thing as the radius here. From here to here, which is the radius, right? And the volume, what's the volume of it, is 4 over 3 pi r cubed, right? This is the volume for sphere, right? And that is equal to, because the radius has been given, right? The radius is given as 3, so we substitute that, which is we have 3 cube, right? Now we see that we come to this 3 cube is 27. We see that 4 goes in 27 to remain 9. So here is 4 times 9, and that is equal to 36 pi centimeter cube, right? You know that in terms of this, and we look at the options here, we see which one is the appropriate options for us to choose. We see that C is the right answer. Thank you. Keep on watching.